morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. It is Sunday morning, September the 7th, 2 days after the accident. Just a quick brief update. He's doing a lot better as far as what happened 2 days ago. He was able to stand. He could not walk yet. His blood pressure dropped down. Last I talked to him, he said they were going to try to come back in and at some point and see if he could walk sometime between last night and today. They just got him for a high risk fall because he can't. His blood pressure does kind of drop when he stands up. I assume. I've never been broke up like that, so I don't know, but I assume it's because of the pain. But all in all, he's doing good, and thank you, each and every one of you, for reaching out, sending messages, and kind words and phone calls. It means the world to us. We have built something here that is awesome, and you guys have really made it, and thank y'all. I'm not going to do a breakfast live. I was going to, and I was going to just cook for myself. My middle boy has to go. He had to go to work. Of course, Randy's in the hospital. My youngest boy, he may come and he may not, but I got called into work. So I was going to do this briefing real quick, and then I got to go to work. So my agenda, now that don't mean it's God's plan, it just means my agenda is I got my coffee in there making right now. As soon as I get done right here, I'm going to go make my coffee, and then I got to go to work. But so like I said, that's the next one. I got called into work. When I get back, it looks like it's they calling for rain on and off. I'm hoping it don't do too much. If it don't, I'll get out on the skid steer and I'll mess around a little bit. And I think Chester said he'd be here around 2 o'clock. I think the race is on at 3. He said he was going to bring a watermelon, and we was going to just sit here and eat watermelon and watch the preview of the race or whatever, and then watch the race. And I'll do my 6 p.m. live in the video. That's whatever. I do have some content of a different view of what you've seen, what you look last night's video. So, and I don't know how this is going to work. You're kind of off a little bit from what my normal. I could have moved everything, but the camera does pretty good at catching things. But that's kind of what I got planned there. I'll make the video. I've got footage from different things, and I'll get it going. So sorry about the breakfast live. I do enjoy them. I enjoy talking to y'all. Y'all coming in from all over the world. I cannot say it enough. It means the world to me. So y'all have a good day. Good night whenever you're watching this. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy and please be safe. I don't want anybody out there to feel what I'm feeling and living right now. And with that being said, it could be worse. So for the people out there that it is worse for, I'm sorry. I can't even imagine going through it if it would have been the other way. So thank y'all. Y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and remember, keep it civil. Thank you.
Camera's glitching, lens is blind. Seems I want it left behind. The story's stalling, stop and play. Chester shouting, go, go, go. I'm stuck in a workday missing half the frame. Chasing minutes feels insane. Clock hand spinning like ballet. Caught in loops I can't escape. Dreams dissolve like ticker tape. Tick tock, fading gray. Not enough time in the day. It all keeps slipping away. Running rewind, but I stay. Not enough time in the day. Not enough time in the day. Not enough time in the day. It all keeps slipping away. Running rewind, but I Cameras glitching, lenses blind. Scenes I wanted left behind. A story stalling, stop and play. Chester shouting, go, go, go. I'm stuck in a workday show. Not enough time in the day. It all keeps slipping away. Running rewind, but I stay. Not enough time in the day. City's missing half the frame. Chasing minutes feels insane. Clock hand spinning like ballet. Caught in loops I can't escape. Dreams dissolve like ticker tape. Tick tock, fading gray. Not enough time in the day. It all keeps slipping away. Running rewind, but I stay. Not enough time in the day. Not enough time in the Not enough time in the day. It all keeps slipping away. Running rewind, but the tools are cold, the shop's gone quiet. Dreams half built and hearts defy it.